Hi, this is Kirk with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? I'm going to go over the Mambo steps. There are 4 different types of Mambo steps. There's forward Mambo, a back Mambo, a side to the right Mambo, side to the left Mambo. So I will turn around and show you those. So I'm going to start with a forward Mambo starting on my right foot. And instead of just doing a basic rock replace, you're going to put a little hip roll into it as you step. So that when you do the Mambo, you're hitting it and you're rolling the hip forward. So it looks like 1 and 2. Now I'm going to do a back Mambo. I'm going to go 3 and 4. Weights on the left foot. I'm going to do a side rock Mambo. I'm going to roll the hip, bring that foot in. Now I'm going to do one to the left. Roll the hip, bring that left foot in. Thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.